Hey, it's Adrian Ishvan here, the 8-figure AI builder, entrepreneur, top vendor on JVZoo, and the guy who've made affiliate millions in the past few years. Mapify 360, Leads Gorilla, Localio AI, Confluent AI, Xbash AI, Magic Pods. You've seen these launches and maybe you've even promoted them. Or maybe you've seen others promoted it and rake in anywhere from $50,000, $20,000, $50,000, and even $100,000 in checks. Now, here's one thing you need to know about me. I don't do small or I don't do cute product releases. I only do blockbusters. And AdGenius AI, well, that's the next one that's about to drop. Give me 4 minutes and I'll show you how you can make $20,000 to $50,000 in the next week, and why this launch will be no different than any other winning launch that I've dropped in the past. Let's go. Here's what separates me from every other vendor out there. I build multi-level, high-converting funnels that work, not just for me, for you, the affiliate. My launches convert at cold traffic at 3.3 to 4%. Most vendors can't even hit 1.5%. My OTO's uptakes are about, on average, 35 to 45%. The industry standard, well, it's about 20%. Just last launch, I have sold bundles worth of $697 when every other vendor out there is struggling to sell $247 to $297 bundle deals. So why does this matter? Because when you promote my stuff, your list, your buyers doesn't just buy the front end. They buy deep into the funnel. That's why Leads Gorilla affiliates made anywhere from $50,000 to $30,000 in 1 week. That's why Confluent AI affiliates rake in anywhere from $20K to $50K in affiliate commissions. And that's why my launches have done millions in total sales. Not because I got lucky, because I engineer these funnels and offers to convert. And AdGenius AI, same playbook, same system, and same results. All right, so let's talk numbers. Let me show you the numbers and why you're going to be making a lot of affiliate commission during AdGenius AI launch. All right, but before I jump into the numbers, let me just tell you about the product a bit. AdGenius AI, what is it? Well, it's the first dual AI ad creation platform that creates complete Facebook ads, image, plus the copywriting in under 60 seconds. Unless you've been living under a rock, maybe you know that Meta has released the latest algorithm update called Andromeda, and businesses are desperate for more ad creatives now more than ever. Timing, perfect. Pricing, just $47. That is the impulsive buy territory. Positioning, 2 angles. A software tool for businesses that are actually running ads, and a make money online opportunity for people that want to sell this service to other businesses out there. But let me guess, you don't care about the product that much. You care about your numbers. Now, here's the funnel. 50% commissions across the board. Now, we got the front end starting at $47, which means every single sale you made, you're going to get 23.5 affiliate commission in your pocket. OTO 1, we're going to start with $67 and you get $33.50 for every sale. OTO 2, $97, $48 are your. OTO 3, $197 and you get $98 in commission. And OTO 4, it's a $297 and you get $148 in commissions. That's $352 per customers if they go all the way. This is what happens when you promote a dialed funnel. All right. And it's not just about the funnel, because during this launch, we also prepared a high converting bundle offer that is going to sell like hotcakes during the pre-launch webinar. So make sure you do check out the pre-launch information on the page before mailing. All right. Now for real, here's where we separate ourselves from everyone else. $10,000 in the prize pool, split across 3 contests. Plus, during this launch, we got some surprise flash contests all week long. More cash, more chances to win. Now, here's what the other smart affiliates do. They don't chase overall. That's a war of attraction. They win opening blitz day. Okay, why? Because 1, there's less competition, because most affiliates, let's face it, they're lazy. They mail late. 2, first 2 hours equals 40 to 60% higher conversions. Your subscribers' inboxes aren't flooded just yet with the same product. And 3, you pocket $1,500 prize money plus your commissions during the opening. And now you're basically playing with house money for the rest of the launch. Now that's the strategy. That's how my top affiliates dominate every single time and win prize money. Hit your PayPal, 48 hours after launch ends, because we do use the prize vault as well. So everything is secure. Your money is secure. All right. So you may be wondering yourself, all right, agent, but how do you know this is going to be another blockbuster? Look, I've done this enough time to know what works. And here's why AdGenius AI is going to be another massive win. Number one, the product is real. The demo video shows complete ads in 60 seconds. Visualize it, they see it, they believe it, and they buy it. Number two, the timing is urgent. Andromeda update that Meta just released equals that businesses need this now, not next month, right now. And number three, the pricing point of $47 one time, it's less than a dinner and it's impulsive buy. You get a dual shift from a software business tool that you can use for yourself, for creating for media agencies, plus the money-making opportunity. You can mail it to any type of list, it will convert. You promote, you profit, and you sleep well at night. That's the difference when you promote any of my launches. This isn't a gamble, it's a proven system, and you're about to be part of the next win. All right, so here's what's gonna happen next. You check on this page and you request your affiliate approval. Verified affiliate, you got instant approval. If not, I'll review it. And the second you've approved, you got access to the full swipes package, all the resources, Facebook posts, scripts, banner ads, everything you need to mail and win. Launch is November 18 at 11 a.m. Eastern. You need to be ready. Early birds dominate. First 2 hours of the launch are the most important one. Get approved today, grab your affiliate links, and join me on the winning side. And let's add another winning to the ones that we've previously did, like Mapify 360, Leads Gorilla, Localio AI, Callfluent AI, Magic Pods, and many others. I look forward in welcoming you in my affiliate team and help you rake in those affiliate commissions in your JVZoo account. I'll see you on the leaderboard, and let's make this the biggest one yet.